You can wear it to a party. Hi beautiful, welcome back to another video and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have a very minimal makeup and we're going to be using only 6 products in today's video. Now if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark.
Okay, I have gone ahead to do my skincare. You'll have to do your skincare before makeup. If you haven't seen this video right here, make sure to check this video out. It is dedicated to prepping your skin before makeup. You should definitely see this video right here, this one. Make sure to look out for this video right here and see the video immediately. So I've gone ahead to prep my skin before I'm going to go in with makeup. And now to begin the product count proper, the first step we're going to go into is foundation. Okay, foundation will help to even out my skin tone. So let's go ahead and apply foundation. Okay, for foundation I'm going to be going into the brownish foundation by Blossom Makeup, and this is in the shade 08, and I'm just going to use my beauty sponge to apply that all over the face real quickly. So I already have that at the back of my palm, and I'm just going to dab and just apply real quickly. And just to point out, if you're a brow before skin person, by all means do what works for you. I have list of videos right here that you should see. They are of different techniques. I have the one where I did the brows, then skin. I have skin before brows, and I have brows before skin. All those videos just to suit your style and technique. So you can check out those videos right here and see what works for you and just stick with it. Okay, the next product would be concealer. So I'm going to use a concealer to further brighten the under eye. I'm not going to do cream contour or any of that. We're just going in with foundation and concealer. For foundation you can go in with your exact shade, then for concealer you can go in with a shade or 2 lighter than your actual skin tone. Now I'm just going to put a tad bit here. We're not doing anything too much here, here, just to help process. I'm going to use that side of the beauty blender and just blend real quickly. I blend the under eye very well. So that will be it for the highlighted concealer. As you can tell by the difference, my eyes looks really open. This feels much better, and the best part about it is we've just used only 2 products. So you see, walk with me. Next step would be powder, because we need to lock in all this cream product. Okay, for powders you can opt out for setting powder, loose setting powder, or for pressed powder, or if you have a powder palette you can as well go for a powder palette, but I would advise you get this one. If you're a beginner you have to get this one. It's just compact and it's pressed. You can get a shade darker than you and 1 shade lighter than you. Walk with me. If you get a shade lighter than you use that to highlight under your eyes. Then the shade darker, you can use that to contour and bronze as well. Then when you mix those two shades together, you will get your actual skin shade, so that you don't get to splurge on many products. You have to make it work with what you have. But I'm going to go in with my pressed powder, with my powder palette. So this is the City Girl powder palette. It has different amazing shades in it. You can contour, you can use it for eyeshadow. It even has highlighter on it. So I'm just going to take the lighter shade here, and I'm just going to set. So now I'm going to take the darker shade here, and I'm going to set the entire face. Now I'm going to use the darker shade and quickly contour. And so far I have used only a beauty sponge and one big powder brush. Now to contour the sides of my nose, I'm going to, pinch my beauty blender like powder brush like this, and I'm just going to use that to swipe. Okay, then after that I'm going to get a paper towel and just dust my brush on it and use that to just blend the entire face together so that it will look very, very seamless. That is done. Now to the next step. Now the next step would be, I'll just go in with my mascara and eyebrow. So but before I do my mascara, I'll just take that same powder palette and I'll just go in with a darker shade there. I'll just put that on my eyelid as eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my brush and dust on my eyelids. I'll be going in with mascara. I'm using this Mega Impact mascara and I'm just going to use that to coat my lashes. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to take my spoolie brush and just brush up my brow hairs. Now I'm just going to fill in my brows real quick. I'm not doing anything dramatic or crazy. This is very, very, just filling in the hairs, the brow hairs, and that will be all. So I don't want that boxy brow, so I'm going to use my spoolie and just brush up the beginning part of the brows. So I'm going to brush that up. I'll quickly go in with concealer to clean a bit, just clean the beginning part of the brows, a tad bit of concealer. If you have not yet, make sure to check out the my list of makeup essentials for beginners. The video is right here. This is the video you should look out for. It is very simple and it's very easy and it's very straight to the point. I just listed every product you need as a beginner. You don't need all those crazy products that you see out there yet. So make sure to check out my makeup essentials for beginners. So I'm going to use the concealer brush and just clean. I'm going to use my fingers right now and blend this out. And go back in with my powder brush and just set everything together. Okay, for gloss, I'm going to go into the Blossom Makeup Luxury Lip Gloss. So after I've outlined that, then I'll take the luxury lip gloss and just apply that on my lip. So yeah, we have used foundation, concealer, powder, mascara, eyebrow pencil, and lip gloss. That is all we used to create this entire look. But hold on, there's one last extra step, which is, drum roll, setting spray. So you're just going to take this and spray. And with this, your makeup look is complete. I can wear this to lunch, I can wear this and run errands, I can wear this and go to a job interview and I'm not looking crazy. I can wear this to work. You can wear it to a party, because why not? This is very minimal, this is very easy and very simple to do. Yes, do we like? Because I'm absolutely loving this look, and it's just only 6 products and 1 extra product, so that will be 7 products. As I said earlier, if you have not checked out the makeup essentials, I listed a bunch of products, not a bunch, but essential products that you need for in your kit as a beginner. Then do make sure to check that out. Look out for this video, this particular one right here, and make sure to always do your skincare before you go in with your foundation. After shower, just go in and do your skin prep before makeup. I have a very dedicated video for that as well. Look out for this video or check the description bar for the video. If you did enjoy the video, which I hope you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what other video you would like to see, and if you've got questions, definitely leave it down in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you're always notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.